Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bankrate app for investment research. Easy tutorial. Open your app store. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Bankrate. Press search to begin looking for the app. Locate the Bankrate app in the search results. It should have a recognizable logo, typically featuring the name Bankrate. Tap on the app listing to view more details. Review the app description and features. Look for the Install button on the app page. Tap Install to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the app by tapping Open. If prompted, allow the app to access necessary permissions. You may need to sign up or log in to access features. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account if needed. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its investment research tools. Utilize the search and filter options to find relevant information. Check market trends, rate comparisons, and investment calculators available within the app. Start your investment research using the powerful resources provided by Bankrate. Enjoy your journey into investment research with Bankrate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.